Hey everybody, welcome back to Mad Father. Today we are going to continue. We found some gems and there's some more plot. I don't think there's much. Oh, let's go see where that cutie with the face went. Cutie with the face! And I'm kind of changing her voice a little bit because it didn't sound too girly in playback. There's a glowy thing up there, but it sounds so creepy. Nope, I'm out. Bye. Can't do anything in here anyways. Which kind of sucks, but you know. Alright, where should we go? We should go down in that big door that I saw earlier. When they're not there. Suck it. Ooh. Ooh, what is that noise? I don't know what the gurgly noise is, but I don't. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Oh god. Is it dead? It's not moving. Please don't move. Oh Jesus Christ. No. I'm saving. I don't trust you. I'm sorry I stepped on your body. Please don't get me. Please don't kill me. Whew. Okay. That was quite dramatic, and there's a rabid dog there. Maybe it'll stay over there. I hope. Nana! Yikes, it's pitch black. Oh, the lamp. Oh, this actually works? Okay. I can't, it's locked. A hole in the wall. I couldn't fit in there. You just stay there, puppy. Please don't. Please. Please don't, you guys. I think I could maybe fit Snowball in there. This is my theory. I forgot to grab him anyways. I wanted to take him on my magical adventures through horror and terror. So, we're gonna get out of Mom's room. I don't need nothing coming through there again. Oh, hi, Snowball. That weird guy is gone. Come on, let's go. Let's go on an adventure. Let's go on a journey through time. Snowball loves Father too, don't you? Another cutscene? God dang. I love how immersive it is, but at the same time it annoys me. Snowball! Did you lose your rabbit? What is this, Alice in Wonderland? Snowball, where are you? Snowball. What do I do? And your legs hurt too. I'm worried. There you are. We're not gonna call you that. We're gonna call you the March Hare or something. Where did you get to? I was so worried you disappeared. I couldn't wrap up that wound you were running around. Ugh. Can't read. Wait, huh? Your wound's healed. Oof, what a troublesome rabbit. A wabbit. Father! Aya, try not to let Snowball out of your sight, will you? The rabbit made a mess in the kitchen again. Sorry. Snowball must have been trying to get a bite of Marie's cooking again, huh? Did you find Snowball, Father? Yes, and healed the leg while I was at it. Wait. When you wound... Are you magical, or did you kill the rabbit and get her a new one? Like, because, you know, they use on test subjects a lot, so, like, is that a thing here? Thank you, Father. Snowball is a member of the family, treated as any other. Apparently you treat them like crap, seeing as you let them endure mass murder on your part. Oh. go to bed at 11 or something. Let's go save Father together. You're so cute. Yay! I can just think of her like Fluttershy almost. Pew! Pew pew! Save, because I want to keep my rabbit with me. Down at the bottom, apparently. Alrighty. We can go with that. We can roll with that. I hate that noise. Oh! I just wanted to see if I could do stuff. Oh, Jesus! Jesus Christ! Ah, freaking Kudo. Calm down, Kujos. Get out of my face. We haven't gone in there yet. Hi. We're gonna save. Oh, man! No, 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 I forgot I gotta do oh, God, now I gotta go through. Oh, no, 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 no. Please. Please don't come after me. I want to be your friend, okay? Hole in the wall. Huh? Maybe Snowball could. Okay. Go at it, Snowball. Be free, my little bunny friend. Please, Snowball. I like how the rabbit just does what she asks, like me. I get to control the rabbit, oh my god! Oh my god, I'm a rabbit! Lighter oil. Oh my god, what is... I don't like that noise, no. Snowball, don't leave me. Oh no. Oh no, the light went out. No, 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 no. Why won't it work? Please. Oh god. Oh no, little girl. Ooh. Was someone behind me? Get out of there. Get out of there. Nope. Go away. Oh, Jesus, what are these things? Really? Oh, no, 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 no. Shoot. Goodness gracious, I'm... Oh. Oh, whoa. Danval murder? You murdered? I don't know what that means in German. Oh my god, what is that noise? There's something there. Jesus, it's a Japanese tentacle hentai monster. No tentacle porn. What is that? Oh, go away. Yep, back up. What should I do? Oh, she knows apparently. It's like the flame egg. Burn all those in my way. Yeah, I can burn it. But how? You're so morbid. Lighter oil. Yes. And I think I can throw that oil and then throw the lighter on it. Awesome. We're gonna throw this oil. Oh. Oh. Okay. Apparently I'm missing something. Oh, get my mouth. Okay, so do I want to use the lighter. No. I know.
Huh?
There we go. Gosh. Burn it. Somebody's a pyromaniac. Oh! Whoa! Calm down there. Jeez. It burns, it burns. Oh no. Now I feel bad for it. Like really bad for that creepy hentai monster. Poor hentai monster. Save. Poor hentai monster. There's just blood everywhere. That's terrible. A pot. Sturdy wooden boxes. Ooh, there's a laboratory, bros. Crab's gonna go down. We're gonna go in here first. Just because I want to see what's in here. Ooh. Oh. What'd I step on? Glass. Like any normal child, apparently. Strange tools of experiment. Ew. Gross. Yeah, there's a... Ew. Ooh. Mm-mm. Is that a gem? No, instead we got 2 sets of eyeballs. That's awesome. Alright, guys. Here we go. Let's go see... Oh, no. Maria! Mistress! You're wounded. Ah, but I will be fine. Forget me. Escape somewhere safe. It's too dangerous here. Where's Father? I heard him scream from my room. Wow, that's really far away. Ah, I must save the doctor. Late doctor. Oh. Oof. You can't go with that wound. But, alas, Maria, what happened to Father? Doctor is further in. His wife, she... Exclamation point, objection. His wife, my mom? What do you mean, Maria? Ellipses. Maria! We must find something to patch her up. She seems to... Oh. And pedophile's back. Awesome. I miss this guy, alright. You again. We meet once more. At any rate, it sounds like your father has gone ahead. Ooh, deeper into the underground maze. What did Maria see? Mom passed away, right? What's going on here? Don't tell me the curse. You will only be able to confirm your suspicions by pressing on, no? I must find a way to save Maria first. 'Cause, yeah, she may be sleeping with my dad, but... What a weird guy. Yep, you can say that again. Ugh, cracking my neck. Big sack. Shelves are a mess. How do we save her? I want to save her, I really do, but I'm trying to figure out... She's fainted. Is there anything... Filled unknown... I don't want to know what's in those. Ew. Filled with blood. Mmm, yummy. Full of protein. Alright. We will leave that skank there. And there's dead bodies everywhere. There's a gem, though. Mother! Me! Ooh. Wait. Busty Mama! Oh, she's still looking hot, even if she's dead. Looks like she kinda got stabbed or something. Though I think those bosoms would cushion the blow. Mom? Is that you? Mom! Oh, the sad face. No way, was that really Mom? It looked like it. No way, I mistook her with those boobs, no? It might be the curse, right? Haven't you noticed? Oh, it's Monopoly Man, the pedophile. This tragedy was brought on by the power of the woman's curse. The mouse for your father, aka your mother. Could that woman be? Yes, so finally you realize it's your mother. That can't be. Why do you think that? Because Mom loved Father. Even understood Father's work. It's Stockholm Syndrome. Wasn't Mom happy? Can't believe she's a grudge against Father. Well, duh. Who would like somebody sleeping with their husband? I didn't want it to be true, but... So you go to find the truth. No, go back for the gym. Go back for the gym! Stupid. No, you go back for that gym. Oh, the dead body moved. God dang, dead bodies. Why? Moving no longer. Get away from me. Oh, and there is a head here. Where is my body? Ugh. Yeah, ugh. Is it one of these? Maybe? Oh. Oh. Nope, you need to get away from me. Yep, go to your body. Go to your body. Go to your body. Go to your body. Yes, nailed it. Found it. Oh, I think you put it on the wrong way. Oh, no. No, you look good. Let's just go with that. Thanks, Mrs. Let's just go with that. Yep, you look fine. Look like you just died yesterday. Give me that gem. Pretty sure that's what it was, and it was. Usually the glowy things are gems. Oh, more blood. Stack of wooden crates. I see dead figures up there. I want to go this way. Big barrels. What's down here? Unlock the door. Please let there not be scary things in here. Oh! Nice. Now I have a escape route. Good to know. We're gonna go venturing this way. Oh, hi, girl. Open room, huh? Oh, what's this? Ooh, oh, wait. We can get to the attic now. I want to go this way first, though. Can I go this way first? Apparently not. So that's a dead end. My head itches. I hate that when you have your headset on for too long, and then your head kind of itches because it's been sitting there for so long. Alright, make a dash. Run up to the attic. Pew, 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 pew. I'm gonna get that attic. I'm gonna get that ladder. Maybe find the cutie with the face. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, put that there. Oh, dude. What am I gonna do with that bucket? Give me that. Why is there a random pot up here? Oh, I'm gonna push it off the edge. Oh, snap, there's something there. Pew. Huh? Control or shift. Okay. How nostalgic. I remember my father scolded. Why were you playing with a chainsaw? And we have another cutscene. What did I do? I should have ended it. I'm gonna jump through this one pretty quick. Why are you playing with a chainsaw, child? What in heck's name is wrong with you? Seriously. Aya, what are you doing swinging that thing around? Sorry. She looks sad. This is not a toy, it's a very dangerous tool. No duh. You probably found it in your crazy laboratory. Understood? Never play with this thing. Sorry, Father. Glad you're not hurt. It's odd though, I don't remember putting this where you could reach it. We're north. I'm sorry. I like how she doesn't say where she got it. She's just like, I'm sorry. Sigh. I wonder if I could fill that bucket with water. Awesome, so now I have a chainsaw. I'm gonna go see if I can fill that bucket up with water. I mean, we can go outside now, so I'm gonna save and end this though, and we'll do that at the next episode. Alrighty, guys. It was fun playing with y'all again, and you know the drill. Like, subscribe. Oh, oh no, what's happening? Oh, I was trying to end the series. Oh my god, no. I'm gonna bud mash the crap out of this. No. Bud mash. No, no. No, she's just a child. She's just a child, guys. No, she shouldn't die so young. She shouldn't die so young. No, Aya. Run. I was just trying to end the series. And I have to go back and save. Please don't be back there. Alright, now we're gonna save. That was a dramatic, almost closure. Alright, you guys know the drill. Like, subscribe, and I will see y'all later. I love you. Go follow my friend Eldico the Crafter, and I'll probably link her later, because we have a co-hosted game we were doing. So, I love y'all.